Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and happy. This is grade 3 and I am your science teacher, Mrs. Inajari. Dear students, our unit number 8, heat, is going on, and today we are going to discuss some more points from this chapter. Now students, it's our reading time. Let's start reading with me. Heat and molecules. We know that molecules are always moving. Molecules move because they have energy. When the molecules of something move faster, they make that thing hot. We can feel the energy of the molecules as heat. Heat and molecules. We know that molecules are always moving. Molecules move because they have energy. It means molecules have energy. The capacity of doing work is called energy. When the molecules of something move faster, they make things hot. We can feel the energy of molecules as heat. Heat and molecules. When heat is added to a substance, you can see here two images. When heat is added to a substance, the molecules and atoms vibrate faster. If we add heat to any substance, the molecules and atom insides of that things vibrate faster. As atoms vibrate faster, the space between atoms increases. You can see these images, cold substance, and this is hot. Cold substance. In cold substance, the molecules and atom do not vibrate faster. Their molecules are close together, but in hot substances, the atoms and molecules vibrate faster, and by moving faster, vibrating faster, the space between atoms increases. The end results of increased molecular motion is that the object expands and take up more space. You can see here in both images. This is cold substance image and this is hot substance image. When heat is added to a substance, just like in this, the molecules and atom vibrate faster. As atoms vibrate faster. Vibrate means move. You can say move. The space between atoms increases. The end results of increased molecular motion is that the object expands and take up more space like in this image. Again, reading time. Let's read it with me. Hot molecules move faster. This is simple, just simple experiment. Hot molecules move faster than cold molecules. It means hot molecules can move very fastly than cold molecules. Fill one bowl with cold water. You can see here in this bowl, water is cold. Fill another bowl with hot water. You can see here hot water. Put both bowls on a table. Use a dropper to put a few drops of red ink in each bowl. You put in both bowls a drop of ink in both bowls. Do not shake the tables or the water. What do you see? What do you see? Hot molecules move faster than cold molecules. Fill one bowl with cold water. Fill another bowl with hot water. Put both bowls on a table. Use a dropper to put a few drops of red ink in each bowl. Do not shake the table or the water. What do you see? Now, students, we will discuss what happens. Hot molecules move faster than cold molecules. First, we take two glasses. You can see here in this video. Fill one glass with cold water. Fill another glass with hot water. Put a few drops of green ink in each glass. First, what we will do, take two glasses, fill one glass with cold water, another glass with hot water. Then we will put few drops of green ink with the help of dropper in each glass. Do not shake the water, do not shake the glass. What do you see? What do you see? We see warm water has more energy than cold water. You can see here in the images, warm water has more energy than cold water, which means the molecules in warm water moves faster than molecules in cold water. You can see here in this image, molecules in hot water are moving very fastly than in cold water. What we see, warm water has more energy than cold water, which means that molecules in warm water move faster than molecules in cold water. Now students, let's start reading with me. Heat and change. Heat can change the state of things. Heat and change. Heat can change the state of things when we heat ice cubes in a pan. They change into water. When the water begins to boil, it turns into steam. You can see here in these images, ice. When we can heat the ice cube start to melt because of heat, and they become converted into water, and on more heating they will start to evaporate. Things become hot when they are heated. The heat of the atmosphere changes daytime and nighttime temperature. Heat can change the state of things. When we heat ice cubes in a pan, they change into water. When the water begins to boil, it turns into steam. You can see here in these images. Things become hot when they are heated. The heat of the temperature changes daytime and nighttime temperature. Now students, we will discuss heat and change. Heat and change. Transferring energy to or from a substance can change its states. If we will transfer energy from a substance, then substance can change its states. Heating a substance in the solid state will cause it to melt. If we heat a solid state, if heat the substance that are solid, that substance will melt. We change it to the liquid state, and after heating, the solid state will change into liquid state. You can see here in that image. Continuous heating will cause the substance to evaporate or boil. We change it to the gas state. It means on heating, solid will change into liquid state and liquid will change into gas state. On heating ice cube, ice will first convert into liquid state, and on further heating they will convert into gas state. Transferring energy to or from a substance can change its state. Heating a substance in the solid state will change it to melt, which changes it to the liquid state. Continued heating will cause the substance to evaporate or boil, which change it to the gas state. Now students, I will share some information with you about the uses of heat energy. We use heat energy from the sun to dry our washed clothes. We use heat to cook our food. We use heat energy to keep ourselves warm during winters. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.